Hey Uplifters. So I'm doing a vlog or whatever, and like my hair is getting dull and I like the color, you know, vivacious red. So I'm going to be re-dyeing my hair. Even though like my hair is super thick and hopefully one box of dye works for my hair. But I'm not gonna be talking through this part because like I don't know what to talk about. So I'm not gonna talk during this part of the vlog. So just watch me dye my hair. Nervous, I know. My glove ripped. My hair is dull. Look at my hair that grew. I'm scared. If you're scared, then why are you dyeing your hair? but this conditioner set my hair until I get in the shower and do all that stuff. Then I'll rinse it out and put some gel or something on it. I don't know yet. Wash and go. You'll see the final results later or tomorrow. Hey Uplifters, I am looking rough. I am sweating. I just went grocery shopping at Walmart, so I'm gonna do like a quick haul, even though like, you know, it's kind of like a lot of stuff or whatever the case is. And I'm gonna just, like, what I like to do is I wipe down my stuff. I already did a video with me wiping down everything and then like doing a haul and stuff like that, but I'm just gonna do like a quick haul. And this is how my hair turned out, which I love it. I wish it was lighter, but I like it this color. So yeah, so let's get into this grocery haul. Try to go through things fast so I can wipe down stuff, and then, you know. So I have some baby spinach and some organic romaine, Hot Pockets, Italian ice, some thin cut fries. I want to try these out. They're lunch kits, sweet apple slices, turkey sausage bites, crackers, and cheddar cheese. I want to try that out. Have some ginger ale. Cereals in that box, which is Captain Crunch and Fruity Pebbles. And let's see what else I have, because everything else is in bags. A few household items, which is the pods, some Lysol, and some Pine Sol. So I'm gonna put that to the side, and I'm wiping everything down as I go, like I said. And I'm tired. I haven't been asleep, so you guys bear with me. 3 Suns, some apple juice, like I said, some Fruity Pebbles and Captain Crunch, some Dunkin' iced coffee, not mine, but White Castle, I don't like them. Breadsticks, got broccoli, green beans, yogurt, pineapple, my favorite ice creams, give me some more, and fish food. I think I already said that, but ginger ale. Some strawberry lemonade, some of this caramel sauce. And I have items on the floor, which is like the waters, and soda, which is not mine, and some Bounty. We have some chicken wings, 2 packs of chicken wings. And I have some chicken breast tenderloins, 2 packs of those. Ground beef. 2 more items. 2 more items. Some M&M's, some crisp thin cheddar. I got these things, whisk cheese crisp cheddar. I got some straws, Chessman sweet and simple cookies. I want to try this butter and buttermilk pie by Patty LaBelle. I don't know if I said this, but bananas and what else? I want to get some of this to try it out. Wellness Rescue and Immunity. So that's it for the haul. I know it's all over the place, but whatever. And also these Sunbelt Bakery with strawberry. But yeah, the haul's all over the place. But hopefully, you know. So I had my oil and salt in the pan for my noodles. So I got my chicken breast tenderloin. I'll just pop them in the water. I put a little bit of vinegar in.